Hello and welcome to the third day of Liebherr's Bauma video magazine. We're reporting today from the Emotion Test and Drive site, which is built especially for this Bauma trade fair. Here you can test the exhibits and thoroughly check them out. We're embarking here on a true voyage of discovery.
Tour der Neuheiten.
Let's start with the new Generation 8 crawler excavators. I'm joined here by Martin Schickel, Managing Director of Liebherr France SAS in Colmar. Mr. Schickel, what's special about the new Generation 8? The excavator is actually a market-led concept. This means that we've assessed everything the market needs and in turn give the operators everything they need. One of the first major features is the T5 engine. Then we have the electronic controls and the equipment. It's completely covered, offers more power and greater bucket capacity. After all, bucket capacity is what the customer needs most. The key here is bucket capacity. It's multifunctional, even acting as an umbrella here today. You've brought a very special example to show us. Exactly, this is our 60,000 crawler excavator that was built in Colmar. You'll find the names of all our employees on the undercarriage. After all, they built the excavator. Our employees have always been very important to us. This is team effort at its best, and we have even more new products on show. One of them is the LH18M Industry. This innovative recycling package guarantees high machine availability. A special highlight, the LH18M is also available with a corresponding configuration with official road approval, so it can be easily relocated. In addition, the service-oriented machine design facilitates rapid maintenance and thus reduces unproductive downtime. Liebherr has developed two new laboratory mixers to meet the demand for mixing applications that can handle increasingly complex tasks. The revolutionary aspect of this equipment is that the main agitator and whirler can work at different speeds for different ingredients and recipes. One is for high output rates of ready mixed concrete, the other is mainly for high performance concrete. These are two different possible applications. This means that it can produce concrete that is optimized for each requirement area. We place special emphasis in the new model series on ensuring that the test results can be put into practice. The laboratory mixers show on a small scale what their big brothers do in everyday operation on the construction site. The A913 compact wheeled excavator is a true all-rounder for typical earth-moving operations on construction sites. The flexible undercarriage with all-wheel steering and crab mode gives the A913 excavator maximum maneuverability combined with high payloads. Despite the requirements of emission standard 5, which the A913 meets with a combination of a diesel oxidation catalytic converter, particulate filter and SCR system, it's very powerful and fuel efficient. Back on the road, the MK88 4.1 is particularly agile due to its new axle load variants. This powerful crane is more than just a model update by Liebherr. An optimized trolley, load plus function, and cameras that extend the crane operator's field of vision open up additional applications for the mobile construction crane. And these are also needed as urbanization progresses.
High-density construction automatically implies door edges, which means that we have to set up our equipment very close to the building in order to store the goods that then have to be moved as quickly as possible to the other side. The vertical tower is our answer to the demands of urbanization.
This extremely quiet electric drive can be operated at night. Another ace in the hole for the construction company. The mobile construction crane beside me here is the big brother of the MK88 4.1, the MK140. Jens Walter is already in action, and I'm going to help him now. We're going to mount this crane boom tip. Great, Jens, thanks a lot. That was my first crane boom tip. No problem. Jens, what's so special about the MK140? The MK140 is so special because it can be operated with an external power supply. That means we produce no additional emissions and no noise in the city centre. The second feature is the one-man concept. I'm ready for action about half an hour after I arrive on the construction site. So 15 minutes later, then we have a maximum hook height of 95 metres, a reach of 65 metres, and still have a maximum lifting capacity of 1 tonne. All good things come in threes. Exactly. Given the importance we attach to safety, we have an automatic equipment status detection system here. In other words, all the crane driver has to confirm is the clearing area, ballast and boom configuration. Many thanks. You're very welcome. Our voyage of discovery and our third broadcast have come to an end. If you still haven't had enough and want to know more, then I recommend you go to Liebherr-Bauma.com. On this page you'll find information about the exhibits and much more besides. Tune in again tomorrow, when we'll be looking at alternative drive systems, for which there is no alternative. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Wir sehen uns.